In this video, I will show you how to make a new Vinted account. So basically, if you are click here on sign up for Vinted, you have three options. You can connect with your Facebook account, with your Google account, or with email. This is the classic one. So let's say that your last account was banned or blocked by Vinted team. You will just need to create a new Facebook account or new email account, and after that you will choose the whatever option you want. So if you are using Facebook, that new Facebook account, you click here on continue with Facebook. Let's wait a little bit, and right now it's sign up with my Facebook account. Here you will receive a activation code. Well, I hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.